Hello, my name is Lorena and this is my project. So I'm going to start with the times that are correct and some ticks I have not done correct. Okay. Finish line. What I'm doing bad, one don't think about me, don't trust me a person, to think people don't my ability, don't believe in me. What I'm doing with to studying, supporting my family, goodwill and grades, study English, learn to love me. So basically my goals is I want to finish my career. I want to study English and I would like to be speak it. I would like to travel a lot and meet new people. I am going to achieve these goals with the support of family and friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care and have both one. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Thank yous, Joe. Thank you, Score, and have got one.